Buenos dias, amigos. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my channel. And we're here back working on our ADU. We have our solar team working on the ADU. So they have the solar panels. They're gonna install the solar panels in our ADU. This is the company. So they have the panels right here. As we can see, we have the 27 solar panels, so it's gonna cover for the house and the ADU plus the 14 solar panels they already have. So this is the team working on the house. So they're gonna be working on the roof, so they're pre-installing everything. And this is the main panel I have for the house, the 14 panels that is covering the house. And we have the company installing panels here in the back house or ADU. Thank you for watching. I will be posting more videos later.